Na what you say na me ne mo kasai. Efa product yi ho. Ejebo. Ene president na abeduru ha. Oba be chirechire mo. Nura eboa ye immune system no. Ehhehhe no esiesie no fe. Ehum ya abei. Se wo yisu bi e wonsuro anadwobombo. Won kwa na aka wani mu nyina wonsuro anadwobombo because esiesie ni pedua no. Eti wiene bia na baabi a etimi mebo kwa. Ene de ye yi afiri mu. Eti product no wodi kan order first one a wonya boxes enum. Enti eno na odi examples abei. Enum ye obi dia wa order. Ba kuni mienu ni miensa enai enum. Osan be yi video ama ye ho wiase nyina obia etimi eyebi se wo ye bronyini wo ye tuntum sorry utumi yebi edro papa esan ye business wo ye na umia wani ya eye business but wo na wo be ye ho adwuma na sika na aba enti ono a be kirechire mu ewo mpoto kasa mu enti dia ka nyina no wo betumi atwere number no wase wo fra mema mekirechire wo mu ana dia ka wo ha bia no metwa wo so na me de no number ma na oni na kasa ye time no nti ma no esi enti obeba be kirechire bibi ye mo ena sika wo mu ka wo mu be gise wo ye ho adwuma bre bia etwem se mo be ka ya e de bi filende bai ema obeye se adwuma ya me ne na ebeba asore ena bibi nti ye jaye the same aloe vera product very good massage and intina lady they be me ya beba no.
Thank you very much. So good evening everyone. Yeah. Welcome for this business presentation. So my name is David. So I discovered this business is a network marketing. I discovered it is not long time. It's now it's 1 year 5 months. So normally I have 2 children and I do my job normally like everyone. So I discovered it. I say I will just try to see it. So and now I receive of the company like sometimes more of 1,500 euro sometimes. And I have my car of the company. So this one is to show to you that you can just change your life. You can just get more money as you have the motivation. There are someone, my leader, now he's now because when you make this business, there you can get the first you want to grow. Like my leader now, he's now like an organ leader gold. So now he received like more than 8,000 euro per month. So it's something very nice. The business network marketing of the 21 So I want to tell you that those products that you see here is of this the new partner. She started is now is 1 month. It's almost 1 month, 2 months.
2 months
that she discovered it. This part is for her. So those products, the most of product is for the health. You know that we don't take care of our health. Sometimes we are sick. You have the rheumatism, you have the diabetes, you have the hypertension. So all the product is natural. It's aloe vera. It's aloe vera. So you know they are too serious to everything that they do. So here all those products I will show to you. Like this one. This product is for people who have rheumatism. So if you just take it, you must take it like 3 times per day. You must take it like 3 times per day, 30 milliliters every time, 3 times per day.
The camera can catch it up, down.
So just take it 3 times per day. It's very, very nice. If you take it, you have some problem like a pen, like a Rick pen, you have pen, you can just take it too. Very, very nice. And for the rheumatism, and this one too is for people who have too much cholesterol. You know, when we are here, we eat every time, everything. We don't take care of our health. So if you have the like cholesterol, you must take this one. It's very, very nice too. Very nice to drink it. I want to just tell you that too, for the product, those product is the very, 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 very nice product. They have the label. Those label is not easy to have it because they must control. They must see the percent of the aloe vera inside. They must check everything is. When everything is okay, they just give the label.
Try the.
So you can just see the label. You can just see the bottle. And this one for people. This one is for people who have not this one is for people who have diabetes.
Diabetes.
For diabetes.
Yeah.
For the diabetes, this is this one. There are some women, some person in my association. They had diabetes. I told them to take this one. They took it, and now they are okay. If you want to take it, just show it to just show it to the doctor.
House doctor.
The house doctor, he must check it because everything is natural. So when you have diabetes, just take it. You take it like 3 bottles per month. 3 bottles per month. The whole year will be okay with the diabetes. So there's another one. Just so you want to. This one. The name is Severa. Severa for people who have hypertension. Very, very, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. I have my what can I say? I have my uncle in Cameroon because I'm from Cameroon. So he has the hypertension. I sent it one to him. So now he told me that it's okay. But when you have it, just take care because you must follow the whole year. You must take it. You must take it 30 milliliters per 3 times per day. When you just take it the whole year, for 1 year you take 3 bottles. For after the whole year, you'll be okay with hypertension.
Okay.
So, and there are so many products that they have because the company they have like more than 700 products. We cannot explain all the products here, but I invite you to discover it because it's very, very something to change your life. Because only when you start the business, you will just take care of your health. You just sell product. If you want to sell product, you can just sell the product. If you want to, you can just drive the car of the company because they have so many things that they give to people. And there's this one too. There's this one too. The name of this one is My Master. The My Master is what? It's for people who have depression. People who think so much. People who are so very tired. If you do a like a stress, if you do a hard work, it's very nice to take it. There are some people they cannot sleep. They go to bed, they can just stay in the bed like 1 hour before sleep. So this one is to be nice, to bring you down, to be very, very quiet. This one is very nice. It's like a burnout. Very, very nice. This one, if you want to drink it, just be careful because if you start to drink it, you can finish the bottle because it's very, very nice. It's aloe vera. Everything is aloe vera. Here is you can check on every bottle the how many how many of the aloe vera inside the bottle. You can check every time. So, and this one for people who have constipation too. This one, the name is Vita Active. The name, you can just see it very good. Vita Active for people who have the constipation. So when you just take it, it's very, very good too. I invite you to discover it. So, and here I can, and here I can. This is the catalog where you can discover all the products. This is the catalog of the company. So inside you have all the product. All the product you can have it here inside. Inside you have all the product. So what I want to say to tell you that when you start a business like hair, you can. It's very good to take the part business. The part business because the company when you start, you can just choose. You take only one part. If you take only one part, you don't have so many products. Like a hair, she said no. I want to make business. That's why she took the part business, so the 4 parts. So she has there's here many products. There's this one too. It's the MindMaster Extreme. This one is very good for people. MindMaster Extreme is very good for people who do hard work too. When you take, you have so many energy. It's like a Red Bull, but the Red Bull is not good for the health. So this one is natural. There's so many vitamins inside. Very nice. It's MindMaster Extreme. So it's different of this one. And this one. And this one is to have the face very clean. Is something very nice. Only this one you can just if somebody want to order this product, it's like I think the price is more than 200 euro. It's very nice to clean the face. Very nice. And this one too. This one too is like inside that there are three products. The first one is concentrate. The second one is emergency. The name is here, emergency. This one is propolis. So if it's for people who have problem on the face, the button. There are someone they don't have to when you this thing when I show to you, before you use it, you must use like this one. This one is to clean the face first, and after you use this one, the concentrate, and after you use this one, the propolis. So this one is very nice. Even if you have I don't know to explain it. Even if you have every morning when you wake up, you just use it to clean the face. Your face will be very nice every time. But I will shoot you. There's one video to shoot you about it. There's one video very good. So the name is the K-Box. The name of the this one is K-Box. About this one, it's only the meaning is here. So is here. So the emergency is against dandruff, sunburn, burns, inflammation. If you have the inflammation, you can just use this one. Even you have the inflammation. So they concentrate this one. Apply in case of herpes, psoriasis, allergy, eczema. For the eczema too is very good. For people who have the acne, acne is something very dangerous for the face. So this one is very nice for the acne. This one is concentrate. And after when you use the concentrate, you use the propolis. So for people who have this thing that we call hemorrhoid. The hemorrhoid is something when you go to for the Western, which is very difficult for you. You just use this one. You just use the concentrate. So the company too, they have the perfume, very nice perfume. The piece is very cheap. The perfume, when you use it, you can use it like when you start to use it, you put it on your shirt, shirt. It's possible to rest like maybe 3 days. The name of this one is Guido Maria. It's the perfume here. Inside you can open it, so you can just discover the perfume. It's very nice perfume. Very nice. It's very cheap. Only this one is 30 euro. Only this one. But if you want to buy it to another place, another shop like Planet Perfume, you can buy it like sometimes 100 euro. This one. So the name is Guido Maria, and this one too. So they make business with the big stars. This one is Bruce Willis. I think you know Bruce Willis. This is the perfume inside. It's Bruce Willis. When you make business, when you make this business, you can meet those stars like Bruce Willis, because when sometimes we make the feast, the company they invite them. If you want, you can just go the party. You can go, you can meet them. So it's something very nice too. And for the perfume, they have so many perfume. I'll show you something that the name is Starburst. Starburst is this one. Is this one Starburst? Inside, you can meet inside like I think it's 38 perfume, different perfume. So you can meet it here. So if you want to make business with this one, you just give this one to people. You can order this one like a 10. You give to people. When you give one to your friend or someone, something like that, you just take the name of the person. You just write on the box the number of the box. When you write the name, so you give to the person to say, okay, I know that you like perfume. Just use and just check. When I come back, you just give me what you need. I order for you. If you give to people like 10 people, you give like that. You can just come back. You can just order perfume of 1,000 euro. For 1,000 euro, because you are a partner of LR, you order product 40% less. So 40%. If the perfume is 1,000 euro, so you order perfume only 600 euro. So 400 euro in your pocket. So very, very nice. You just take it like this. So on the perfume there's a name. The name of this one is Stockholm. This one. So the person can just use it. This one is very good. He will just write the name of the perfume and he will just put it on the place. So later when you come to take the orders, so you just say, okay, this one you need this one too, you need this one for. So you just take back. You go back, you take for everyone like that. So the name is this one is Starburst. It's Starburst. Yeah. This is for women. This is for men. Here is for men. Here is for women. So the color is different. This is the white one, white for women, and this is black for men. Okay. Yes.
This also is here.
And I'll show you too this one. This one is a body balm. The body balm is very, very nice. It's a cream. It's a cream. Very, very nice too. It's 69% of aloe vera. 69%. You can see the label. And this is the hand cream. Very good for people who do hard work. They don't have the, so when you use it every time, you have the hands very soft. Yeah. So there's so many products. So I'll show you this one too. This is this is the body balm too, and this is the shampoo. It's a shampoo for the hair. The hair shampoo. This one is for the hair. So it's very nice too. When you use it, you have the hair very, very good. Very nice. So this one is I will just and this one. This one is for the hand soap. The hand soap, very good to wash the hand. Very good. And this one is deodorant. This one you just remove it. This one you can just use it. You can just check it. Very good. It's very, very nice too. I hope that you know Germany their product is always very good product. This one is soft skin. You can see it very good. For on everyone, you can have the name of the company. The LR is the name of the company. You can just see it very good here. You can just see it very good too. So it's very, very nice product. And this one too, thermal lotion for the massage. So it's one cream. It's inside is cream. You just put it. You make the massage. Very, very good. When you make the massage, you must take the another one is gel to drink. The name is Freedom. It's Freedom. You take it together with this one. So it makes this one for the massage very good too.
The one last time you told me is anti-age. What is that anti-age?
It's inside what I. And this one is for the hair and for the body, to wash. Inside too, you can just see it here. It's 35% of aloe vera. So all the product you can just see it. 35% of aloe vera. And this one is 250 milliliter. You can just see it very good. And this is a tan pasta. It's a tooth gel. You can just see it very good. Very good. And this is a gel cream. It's a gel cream. So all those products, this one is the same. So this is for the beginning. Because the company they have more than 700 products. So I invite you to discover this business. I told you that for the beginning that this business is to have a good health, very good health, because they have all the product. It's natural product. It's aloe vera. So you can just make business with those products. You can just bring people behind you. If you can just people follow you like Instagram or Facebook, on YouTube, you can just make very high business with those products, with the company. So I will just explain to you again about the business presentation.
What you for ne afefo and then the amount franchise pa ya late bebre eti mesramo so say no wa fatam ni nyina enyemia eti ene yentumi enye program ento aso ye fane die no nko na we kura no wutia wosire nkonimdifo ntimo de akire no ye bekasa wo ho eti no eno na wakire mo no eti sese no ye beko video no ama wahu nipa wo mani age ho a wo mo ye video no a ne sede ne a wo benya efiri mu mfaso a wo benya the center wo betumi so aye wadwuma wo beserenya elebe kakra wo beserenya wo nkwane wa ho odere adofonom da bia meta aka se nipadua yi ehia pa se nipadua yi ni ahodena woni anije what is it mansions the nipadua yi ni anije wo ye bibi akasesem bi wa abontene nipadua yi ni mejina ha no onwie bet mani age pa because medamena me sign wo pains me sorry me sisi mechi na say you never ye menda adre no ka say wonuma you can sleep very well waka ya nam se ela na je say ebeboa me na anti shanku sonso ebeboa wo pa me hu say wo so wonda
3 or 4 times per month to bring people to understand very good, because if you do business you don't understand about the business, you cannot go so far. So it's only to understand the business, so to see how you're going to do, how to bring the motivation. So I told you that I discovered it. I say I will just try to go so far, because now I'm team leader. Team leader is what I started 1 year and 5 months. But there are someone they are more than me, because they have so very big motivation. So if you start the business now, you can go far than somebody who started it since 2 years ago. So it's no problem. So here I'll show to you that you are what you are because of what you know. So you understand something. So here you can see here the name of the name of the company. The name is Health and Beauty System. So I will show to you the first part. The first part is only to show you about product, and the second part is show you about to make the business. So here you can, it's more quality of the for your life. This is my leaders. The name is they have this one, the silver organization leader. So those two, they started it is now 2 years ago. So now they are too far. This is me. this is me. I'm team leader. So I told you that I started it is 1 year, 5 months. This is the company. The company is here. It's LR Health and Beauty System. So when you start the business, sometimes they can send mail to invite you to go and to go and visit the company. When they invite you, I will tell you that just sign and just give your name. So the day they will bring people with the bus. They bring you there, they bring you back. So you can just go inside. You just see how they make all the product. The name is so this is the address. Is Kopstrasse 55. So it's the company is in Allen. Allen is in Germany. So when you go there, it's like this. You just wear this like that to go inside, and you just meet everything. You can take video, you can take pictures, photos. So as I told you, they start the company. They started at 1985. So you can see it's network marketing. It's long time that they started, and now they started with 500,000 euro, and now they are more than 285 million euro. Because this is for this year 2016. So it's only to show you because I hope if you possible you just go there to visit the company. And as I told you that they are in 28 country. So if you have somebody in France, in Holland, in Belgium, in Spain, you can just bring the people to discover it. Very easy to discover it. So you can just. So those are the company. You can just somebody Italy, of Luxembourg, of Holland, of Poland, or something like that. So you just invite the people, the person to discover it. If you want to bring the people to discover it, you just send to the person how to do. So this is the of the Belgium, because to every country, in every country they have a office. Like here is in Herentals. This is the name of the company here in Herentals Health and Beauty. So if you want to order product, you just call there. We just say to them, I need this one, this one, this one. They will just make everything and send to you. So here is only to say that when they make the business earlier, they help people like small people, people who are sick, people who don't have nothing to eat. So when they sell one product, they just move 50 cents, they keep it. After they just had the association, many people, the children, so they do it too. And here is only to say that the success factor is like a values, passion, and trust, responsibility. And here is only to say to you that they have the good quality of product. They have cooperation with the celebrities. Here too they are transparent for the marketing, plan marketing. And they have the concept, the unique concept, car concept here. Education and professional training. So when you make a business, the training is to bring you to understand about product, about everything. When you hold it, you just understand everything. You can go so far with the business. Because if I give you one product, you cannot know how to use it. You cannot know about the product. That's why they have training to make people to go so far. To follow the training, you can just stay at home with the GSM. You can just follow it too. So they are in many associations. So like VKE, like Cosmos, Cedia, like it's only to control, to make you know that the product is a good one. Those is the success factor specific to LR. They have the good quality of product made in Germany, and those labels is to show you that all the product is controlled.
It's bio.
It's bio. Like bio, like a derma test. That when you use like a cream, you don't have a problem, you allergy, something like that in the skin. No, you don't have nothing, because that's why they have the product with this label. And this label is EASC. EASC is only to make you know that the inside the gel to drink is controlled, and when they write on it, maybe like this one, like this one, it's like 90%. This one is like a 90%. Aloe vera inside is 90%. The aloe vera inside is 90%. It's only to make you that it's the truth, because they control. That's why they put the label. If it's not okay, they will say no, it's not okay. Yeah. They cannot put the label. If they don't put the label, the company will go down. They will lose so many customers. So they have the cooperation with stars like Bruce Willis. Those stars, they have the perfume. As I told you that they have so many perfume. So you can see every stars here, they have this perfume. And the transparency of a fair and transparent marketing plan. So this one is only to show you about when you make business, to show to you how much money they pay you. They pay you as you sell many products as they pay you. So if I will take one example. If you take one this bottle, so you sell the bottle, you buy the bottle like 100%, 100 euro, something like that. This one is the percent that they will just give you on, the 43.7%, and this one 56.30 is this one that they will pay the company, people who work in the company, people who make the product, everything. So and here is to just make you know that if you make this business, you just start the business, you start the first level. The first level, you can just order a car. You order a car of the company gives you a car. You can drive a new car. It's 0 kilometer that they give to you. You drive, you can just pay it very little, very small. So if you give it a car, is maybe two. I'll take one example. If the car, the price is 10,000 euro. So because you are a member of the business of the company, so they give you the car instead 10,000 euro. They give to you for 8,000 euro. So the 8,000 euro you can just pay 200 euro. But if every time you go far with the business, so they will give you back, instead to pay 200 euro, they will give you back like 100 euro every month. So you just pay the car, new car, 100 euro every month. You just drive it. So when you start, you just get this one, and the second one, when you go far, you just use this one, Mercedes. And when you go so far, you just use this one, it's Porsche. So they have cars for everyone. Everyone can get it. Now they have more than this one, because yes, it's more. They have like more than 20,000 cars. So this one is only to make you understand about training. When you start business, you want to understand about product, to understand how to make your business. So they have training about it. So I'll explain here. So the company, they have product for the health and for the beauty too. So a range of unique products serving both target areas. So here I'll just explain to you about the gel to drink. I'll take one example of this one. This one one is for the diabetes patient. So when you have like a problem of you have diabetes, so you must use this one. The name is peach flavor. So it's 100% of the daily need in. So free sugar. you have diabetes, this one of two, it's the same. It's very good for children too. For the allergy, for asthma, it's very good too. And strengthen the human. When you use it, is to be very hard inside. So like you know, this one, this pandemic that we call coronavirus. When you use this one too, it's very good. You cannot have problem. The second one is freedom. Freedom is this one for the rheumatism and tendonitis. Is for the Achilles tendon and rupture and tears of ligaments, osteoarthritis, arthritis. So when you use it, you must use it normally 3 bottles per month. 3 bottles per month. 3 bottles per month. So I just go ahead. This one for people who have the vascular problem, for hypertension. So promote calcium fixation, promote oxygenation of cells, cleans the arteries. So when you use it, I can confirm you that you have the vascular problem, hypertension, something like that. You can be okay if you follow it. You take 3 bottles per month, 3 bottles per month until like 7 months. You'll be okay. And this one for this My Master, I told you that My Master to reduce stress, because here you have too much stress, you are so tired, you cannot sleep. It's very good listener. No preservatives, no colorants, lot of fiber, lactose, gluten free. So when you take it, you just take it the whole month. The whole month, you can lose weight like 12 kilos, 12 to 15 kilos.
Yeah.
And this one is K-Box. The K-Box is what? It's the one that I showed to you.
Okay.
So this one is a K-Box. It's very nice for against dandruff, sunburn, burns, inflammation, against psoriasis, eczema, allergies. What? It's this one. It's they call it emergency. This one emergency spray. It's a spray, and this one concentrate gel. Is something good for people who have like a hemorrhoid, vaginal candidiasis. Apply in case of herpes, psoriasis, allergy, eczema, acne. So it's very good too. And people who have acne, is in case of acne, it disinfects healing process. The box is very nice, but before you buy it, they will show you how to use it. So they have the beauty product too. So you can see here so many products. It's only that you cannot explain all the product, because they have like more than 700 products. I invite you to discover it before you and just start the business. And this other product is 5-in-1 Beauty Exili. Is very, very good too. So this have 5 functions. You can see if when you take it inside there are 30 small bottle like flies like this one. You just take one per day. You can just, if you have you can see here the different here. You can just see the different here. Just in the this is the photo of a partner. She started the business. He used the product. Like this one, 5-in-1 Exili. So you can just see the different. You can just see the different here. Just see the different. So for the beauty, so they have the cosmetic product too. So it's only to discover it. So many good products. So those are products. These are products that they have. They have the look. So it's like a Chanel, Dior, something like that. And like it's the it's the same like Yves Saint Laurent, Lancôme. It's the same. Those are the same product. And another one is like a L'Oreal, Paris, Mediate. And here is the equivalent is like Yves Rocher and Astor. So those are the same. This is something I told you that is very, very good to clean the face. They call it ZGAR 1 cleansing device. Very, very good. So it's something to discover. So this was the first part. It's only to show to you about product. in the company. So I'll just show to you how to make business with this product. So I can shoot you one video to
Y a-t-il une recette pour le bonheur? On dit que le bien-être est synonyme de bonheur. Quand on est bien dans son corps, quand on se sent en forme et plein d'énergie. C'est ça, la qualité de vie. Mais comment puis-je rester en pleine forme? Par quoi puis-je commencer? Un style de vie équilibré est la base pour croquer la vie à pleines dents, quelle que soit la période de votre vie. Pour cela, j'ai un partenaire bien-être. LR Life Tact. Votre vie, votre rythme, votre bien-être. LR Life Tact, votre partenaire pour une meilleure qualité de vie, jour après jour. LR Life Tact regroupe des produits de grande qualité, adaptés à vos besoins personnels, à chaque moment de votre vie. Inspiré par la nature, combiné avec le savoir-faire de la science et de la recherche, LR a par exemple développé les gels aloe vera à boire. Le gel contenu dans le filet de la feuille d'aloe vera est pur et certifié de la plus haute concentration. Il est ensuite enrichi en ingrédients complémentaires. Le résultat, des produits uniques avec une efficacité maximale. En plus des compléments alimentaires, LR Life Tact offre une approche plus globale. Découvrez la Body Mission de Life Tact. Retrouvez votre ligne étape après étape. Ou Mental Power, pour rester fort en toutes circonstances. Vital Care, pour rester actif à tout âge. Seasonal Support, vos soutiens pour chaque saison. Proactivity, pour être libre de ses mouvements à tout moment de votre vie. Et Daily Essentials, les nutriments dont vous avez besoin au quotidien. Les solutions Life Tact sont des combinaisons scientifiques à partir de 3 éléments. Une solution de base de grande qualité pour répondre à vos besoins. Des compléments alimentaires selon votre profil. Des conseils d'experts sur l'alimentation, l'hygiène de vie et l'activité physique. Ces 3 éléments sont les clés du suivi de votre bien-être. Une offre complète qui contribue au fonctionnement normal des fonctions vitales de votre corps. Votre futur bonheur est entre vos mains. Saisissez-le. Et profitez de votre vie sous toutes ses facettes. Et avec LR, votre rythme.
The next is only to how to make business.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. We just continue. It's only to explain to you about how to make business. So to make a business and so to get so much money. So there have 3 possibilities to make money. The first one.
You can explain.
So there are 3 possibilities to make money. So first one is saving personal use. So when you are a partner of the company of LR, so what happened? All the product that you buy it. All the product you buy it is 40%. 40%. So if the product is 100 euro, you buy it 600 euro. So you have 40% every time. You just buy it. You want to buy like gel to drink. You want to buy everything. You buy 40% for if you are a partner. So, but if you want to sell to somebody say, okay, I need something because I'm sick of something, a perfume, something like that. So you buy it like 100 euro, you put 400 in your pocket because the 40% is for you.
40%.
40% for you. And if you want to put people behind you, if you bring like one people of 2 person, 1 person, and the person can take the part business, so you will receive like 1,150 points. So they give to you. Like here you can see here, this is for the bonus, but I'll explain to you. So you cannot it's not possible to understand now. So when you receive, like if you like 125 is 3%, 250 is 6%. So you can see like that. So to receive too much money is to bring people behind you so much. When you bring somebody, you can receive like 1,150 points. So if you reach like 8,000 payway is point. So you will be like 60%. So it's 4,000 euro. So it's to understand, but I'll explain to you there. So here, so just see here. If I take one perfume like this one. Normally the perfume is too cheap. It's too cheap. If I take one perfume like this one, it's Guido Maria. It's too cheap. So what I want to say to you is that the perfume, they make it like the price normally to make perfume is like maybe like a €3. But after they will start to you go to Planet Perfume, you buy it like 100 euro. It's only because what? It's only because when they make the perfume, they cannot give to you directly. They give they'll give it here. So this one will take it. He will add the percent. He will add the percent. He will pay the rent, pay the electricity and something like that. He too, he cannot give to you. He will give to the grossist. So this one too, he will add something on it, and he will give after to this one like a Planet Perfume. So this one will bring people. He will pay the people. He will pay the rent. He will pay everything. After, if you want to buy now, you will buy it here. So instead to buy it maybe like 30 euro, you buy it like 100 euro. So, but here, if you are a member of LL, you just buy it like a 30 euro, not more than 30 euro. So now here is 43.7%. So that you buy it, after they will give you money back again. It's something very nice. Here is only to explain to you when you are a member, when you have this card, is for delays. When you have this one, you go to delays, you buy so many things. So after they will scan the card, they will give to you the point. Every time you scan, they give to you the point. When you have the 500 point, they give you a bonus. They give you it's like a bonus of 5 euro. With this bonus, you can just use it to buy something else in delays in the shop, in the same shop. Before you receive this one, you spend like 1,000 euro. It's too much. So that's the difference. But if you have this one, if you are a member of the company, so like her, she's a member of the company, she will receive this one. This is the same like this one is a card to say that she's a member of the company. If she spend the same amount, like 1,000 euro, the same, so that this is the how to see about the bonus. So like here 1,000 euro is a bonus of 11%. So we come back. So 11%, because when you spend 1 euro is 2 points. So 1,000 euro is about 200 points. So its bonus is 11%. So we come back. So if you spend 1,000 euro, so you have a 2,000 points. So 11% of this one. So that they give you back 110 euro. So they'll give you back. So this one to show you the difference. When you spend 1,000 euro here, they'll give you like 5 euro. But this in but if you make business with LR, so you spend this one, they give you back 110 euro. And before they give you this one, you spend 1,000 euro. So all the product you take it 40%. So it's 40% is 400 euro. You add on this one, so it's like a 510 euro. That is your pocket. So it's on to make you know that it's something very, very nice. So if you just sell product, people they buy so many products, you receive. If they buy more than 1,000 euro, just know that you take it 40%, and they'll give you back directly 110 euro. So it's something very, very nice. And this is on to show you that you must talk to people. Don't have the information. Don't have this business and just stay quiet. Just bring people to understand to make their business too. More you bring people, more you go you can receive so much money. Here is only to say that this one is only to make you know that if you people they buy product, they say to you, okay, I'll need this one, and they buy product of like 500 euro, like 700 euro. You, because you are a member of the partner, you buy 40%, so you buy 500 euro, so 200 euro in your pocket. The 200 euro in your pocket. So the 240%, the 200 euro in your pocket. So and now they will just see now because the product of 500 euro is a bonus 9%, so of 500 euro, so they'll add again 45 euro, so you receive like a 245 euro. So here is only to say if you to become a partner, you just fill the paper. When you fill the paper, you just put all the information. So the name, you put the email address, you just put the name here, the birthday here, and here you just put the address, the name of the street, the postcode, the name of the city, something like that. You just put here too the name of the bank, because when they will give you bonus, they need the account number. So and here too, you must choose the product that you need, which one you need. So here you just fill the information and you sign. And here the information of the person who bring you in the business, like her, if she want to register somebody, she must fill her name here and the partner number here. So it's like that. And when you are a new partner, you just enjoy 40% of commercial margin. So for life, the whole time you need to buy something is 40%, the 40%. So those are the four products. This pack is the first pack, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. So if you take this one, on this one, those are only aloe vera. This is K-Box and everything. So you take this one is normally is 140 it's 180 euro. So but they add 29 euro for the catalog and everything. So the price normally is 209 euro. This one is 209 euro, 209 euro, 209 euro, 209 euro. So but if you want to make business like her, just take the four parts. The 4 parts is in promotion. So instead to take it more than 700 euro, you take it like 499 euro. And when you take it, you just pay it 3 months. The first month you pay 249.50 cents. The second time, the next month, you just pay 124 euro 50 cents. The third month, you just pay 124.50 cents. So you pay 3 months. Very nice. When you take the part business, so you have the bonus. The bonus they pay you is like almost 50 euro, or it's 47 euro, something like that. It's only the bonus. You take it like this. You don't start the bond. You don't start the business, but they just start to give you the bonus. It's only to make you know that, to understand that it's something true and you can go so far. If you start like this one, you just talk to people to discover it, because there are some people who are sick. They don't know how to do. They have the €1,000,000. They don't have to enjoy it. They are sick. Just make them to discover it, to discover the product, to have a good health, to enjoy their life. So as I told you that you take one pack is 180. They add €29. It's 209, as I told you. So the 4 pack is business pack is for the 4. Like she took the business pack. So if you add this one is €720. So when you take the 4, you take it to the price €499. So it's this one the price, but you buy. So this one is you must pay. So and you have this one is 1,150 points that they give to you. So they don't have no minimum monthly turnover. So it's not something that you say I will need to have €5,000 before you start the business. Just have the €209 of just have the €4,099. You just start the business. One time, and they give you all the product. If you want to sell the product, just sell it. You have more. You have benefit because you will sell it normally 100%. You have 2 months to return the goods purchases. So if they give you product, so you say, I don't need the perfume again. They will just say to you, okay, give back. You have 2 months to give the product back. Normal for the normal shop, they give you at least 2 weeks. So if you are not happy with the product, they'll say to you, don't give back after 3 weeks. But here is 2 months because they know that they have the good product. And they don't have no contract, no obligation. If it's like you can start a business, you say I want to make a business. Even you can have the product. Maybe you say after 5 months you can call them. You say I need something. Maybe after 2 years, 3 years, it's not problem. It's not because it's not an obligation. But more people, they work. They have €1,200. It's not enough. They must pay the rent, must pay the charge, everything it's not enough. That's why more people they discover this business. They try to get money apart. It's like me. Normally I receive of my company like €1,400. It's not enough for me. So but this business I have more than €1,400 every month, and I have my car of the company. I go to the face, they invite me every time. So that's something very, very nice. And now I use my product with my family for the gel to drink, something like that. In Cameroon, I send product them to my mother. She has before she has a pen foot in her foot.
At the center.
Yes. Since now she told me that it's okay. Every time when I see somebody is good travel to Cameroon, I just make pack product I send to her. So it's very, very nice. I hope I invite you to discover this thing. Very nice. You can see here quality life, more income and happiness. You are about to change your life and the life of the people around you. So don't stay so long before you discover to start the business. And here you can see a seller. So here, but here you will sponsorship. You receive so much money. So if you sponsor people, more you receive money because you can see 500 here. You can see here 100. This is very good. And here there's something new that when you make the business, you can have your own what can I say, your own shop store. So you have with your shop store, you can just send to people by if you have Instagram, Facebook, you can just take like one product, you put the product like this one. Now for people who have the diabetes people, you can just put this product. You just before you put the name of your website, because you must have your website. So if people they discover your website, they will buy inside your website. You can just stay at home, you sleep. People they are making shop in your website, but you don't know. You wake up, you say You can discover that the people that they bought in your WhatsApp like 5,000 euros, but you don't know them because you just sent to WhatsApp or something like that. I'll show you. So here is it's only to make you know that it's possible. This is another video. I'll just make you discover this video because I went to the fest because they have so many fests that they organize. It's party that they organize. When they organize the party, they invite people to go enjoy. People that are coming from Germany, from Belgium, from Holland, from Russia, from France, everywhere, and we meet there together. So I invite you to discover it too.
Yeah. Therefore, you couldn't fork and hold, dear, then I am the Ketua. Mama, I am fire hungry when I am shedding, and me or my it will be answer. More find them home, move it to me every room. Do my papa. Domo yina wamuka huo na chese wamuka company wama yache hey
party nipa bia de wari no otimeko bi hotel ni bibia omo na omotia ni free de ma bia
ohiri Joshua kan hobra me enkwe ono mame wa kwanda mo mesino na be wa ha okay, that is the end.
Okay, it's the end.
Okay.
No.
Oh, okay.
No. So we just continue. So that's what I was to tell you that to know that it's possible for you with my business. You just travel, you go to the first every time if you need. You go to enjoy.
Yeah.
So this one is something I want to show you is very important. Is to discover the promotion. So if you start business now, you can just have to follow this promotion. So like Yahoo is the member of the partner to the member of the company too. So it's possible that to just start to win like 250 euro per month. And you have the bonus of the car that they give to you. If you order a car, they give you a bonus. So you take the car will be like 40%. You will take the car for 40%. So this one to say to you that in 12 years you can receive like every month 250 euro. This is the beginning when you start the first level. So the name is junior manager. Junior manager, what is when you start a business, you must start the first level to be junior manager. But I will tell you how to be junior manager. The second one is manager. So when you, the second qualification is manager. The third one is junior team leader. So and after is team leader, after is orga leader, something like that. So it's going so far. So to start, when you enter in the promotion, you can just start to have this one 250. You can just have 500 euro or 1,000 euro. But if you want, if you have so many motivation, much motivation, instead to have 250 euro, you can just start in 1 month. You just start to have 1,000 euro. Me, I started a business. It was not possible. Now it's for new people. Like this one, junior manager. When I started a business, I started to be junior manager. But instead to give me 250 euro, I received like 100 euro only, because there was not promotion. But now there's promotion. Everyone can just have 250 euro, like very easy. Here to have this one is only to have like a 4,000 points. 4,000 points. So as you took the part business, you receive you have the 1,150 points. So if you bring like 3 people again, so it's okay for you. You can just start to have this one 250 euro. And those 3 people, if they have like a two person, only two person, you will just be here 500 euro. So you can just be here 1,000 euro. It's very easy. Like in 3 months, you can just be more than 1,000 euro. And when you do like that, you make business with the product too. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, you can just show people about product, and they will discover too. You will sell product, you will receive money. You will make the personal sponsorship, you will receive money too. So it's something like that. So I show to you, like you are here, maybe you are here. You bring 2 people like Amy and Paul. So if they take only the simple pack, one simple pack is 700 point. Pay is point. So, but if he can take like a business pack, he will receive like a 1,150 point. But if like he took the simple pack 209 euro, so you receive like a 700 point. This one is it took the same thing, 700 point. So you are here, you bring 2 people. If this one bring 2 people, they have the same point. This one bring 2 people, you have the same point. So you are here, you start the first level junior manager. So they will start to give to you 250 euro. It's something like that, to understand like that. So you bring people, the person take, you bring 1 person, he take the simple part, he will receive like 700 points. But if the person take like a part business, he will receive 1,150 points. So something like that is on to understand that before you are here, you must have in total like here 4,000, because it's 700. This one is 2,100, and here 2,100 is total is 4,200, and this one is 4,300. So if you are here, you must have minimum 100 points. If you have like a here, this is 4,200, and here you don't have nothing, they cannot give you 250 euro. you must have minimum 100 points. If here you just buy one perfume or two perfume, you will just receive like a 100 points. So for that one, I will show you about it. So this for the beginning, junior manager to have to receive like a 250 euro. So when you are junior manager, you can just order a car like this one with the logo like here, like a LR. You can just see here. So you can just be junior manager. You will receive a bonus. So you will be invited in future leader academy. You can order your first car. Very, very easy. It's like me. I have my car. It's 7 months. It's around 8 months ago that I have my car. So it's only to show you that it's possible to go so far with this business. Very possible. And this you can just see here too. You can just see here. Those are people that they order their cars. You can just see here. Those junior manager. When your manager is the same, you can order the same car. So you can see it's people that you can just see here. You can just see here. You can just see here. This is my leader. She was giving the key to this girl. She was with this one. She was with her girlfriend. This is their car that they received. You can just see here. They give to you 0 kilometers. New car. You can just see here. And here is only to make you know that it's something you can go so far, because what happened? It's all to make you know that you are here. You know only 5 people that you put in the business. Only 5 that you know in your life. Only 5. Those people you know them very good. You can bring them to just themselves to change their life. Like you too want to change your life. You bring them, you help them because you want to understand business. You bring them to just change their life. So this one can be like 5 people. If this one bring 5, everyone bring 5. You can behind in your east behind you like for 25%. 25%. And this one too, you can bring somebody in Germany or somebody in Spain or in Italy. You don't know them. You know only the 5. You don't know them. You don't know them. You know only this 5. This one, you know the 5. You know the 5. You know the 5. And this one, you know the 5. Something like that. So if everyone bring 5, later you can have behind you like a 3,125 person. 3,125 person, but you know only 5 people. But it's possible that instead to know only 5 people, you can know many, something like 100 people. It's possible because inside the GSM you have so many contacts. You can contact people inside your GSM. You say, don't stay at home. Hey, come and discover something very nice. You talk about it. So, but I say you know only 5 people, and everyone know 5. Everyone know 5. Everyone know 5. Everyone know 5. But you are here. You don't know those people. You know only those 5. So you have like a 5 people after 25, after 125, after 625, after 3,125. So in total you have like a 3,905 person. So what happened? Because normally when you are a member of the company, you need to buy like perfume, to buy like a cream for the face, so many things. There are so many products. I told you that they have more than 700 products. You need to discover the product inside the catalog. So if everyone can buy the product of 30 euro, only 30 euro, maybe for to clean the teeth or something like that, 30 euro only. Just see here what the miracle. So if everyone buys something like for 30 euro, only one perfume is 30 euro. Everyone. So just see here the bonus that they give to you. They give to you like 8,201 euro that they give to you. If everyone they buy only for 30 euro, only for 30 euro. Just see here 8,201 euro that they will give you in your pocket. So it's something very, 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 very nice. So, and here, if it's like that, you'll be like organ leader. Organ leader is what is after team leader, you'll be organ leader. So here they'll invite you they invite you. If you want, you can just order a car, order a Mercedes. So when you are organ leader, they invite you in Germany. They pay you if you take the flight to go there, they'll pay you the flight. They'll receive you, so they'll teach you again about the business. They'll teach you very good about the business. So here you can see people. You can order a car. You can see those persons that they did it is long time. You can see it's Mercedes. You can see it here very good. You can see it. So you can just order your Mercedes. When you get the Mercedes, they give you back every month 617 euro that they give you to pay back the Mercedes. You can see it here. You can see those people that you can see there. So you can see. You can see it's possible for everyone to do it. This is my leaders. So their organ leader is silver, and now they receive a 617 euro bonus per month that they give to them. And they had it, and now they order this one too. They will receive 960 euro bonus per month too. And after they went to Africa, to South Africa, they went there for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks. And the company, they pay everything, fly to go there, they enjoy. Normally they pay for those 2 persons. The company pay like something like more than 12,000 euro to them to go there. It's possible for you to, if you can be organ leader silver. They'll invite you to choose where you want to go with your partner. You go there, they pay everything. You don't move. You don't move like 1 euro in your pocket. No, they pay everything. They pay the flight to go. They pay the hotel there. The whole time you stay there, they take care of you, everything, after you come back. So here is the summer party. Me too, I went there in Germany. Was last year I went there here in Düsseldorf summer party. So you went there, they pay you to go there, but you pay you pay.
Anytime you can make money.
But you pay hotel. Here is for people who have this is Porsche. When you are so far, like organ leader is platinum, so you can just order this one. So here only to show to you about when you start a business. As they pay you, you can just show to people to say, this is the money that they pay me. This is my leader, but my own is there too, but they put it here. This is my leader. Like he started the business, like you can see, 31 in July 2017. So the first is he received is 133 euro, 13. So instead 250. This is the one that they give to them. So you can just see here 520 euro. You can just see here 1,076 euro, something like that. You can see there 1,682. You can see here 2,173. You can see here 3,548. This is only to make you know, to see that is something true. It's something that you can go, you can just, maybe after you say, I decide that after 1 month or after 1 year, I need to receive like a 3,000 euro. It's possible for everyone. So when you get many business, you have the 13 months that they pay you. It's like here 8,268, 2,616, 36,223.77, 91,741, This is the president. Like this one, he's the vice president. The vice president is what you two, if you go so far, you can be vice president. It's not only one, no. There are so many vice presidents. So for the first, just see for the first. If you go for the party, something like that, they invite you. There you can take, there are so many people, someone that are coming to Holland, to France, something like that. You see. This was for the what party. This is what they come together. I'm here. Those people they are behind me. This one. This is my wife. This one, and this one. Now this is my leader. This one. They are behind me. You can see here. I'm here. So the pigs you can see here. You can just see there. So you two, when you start. Don't it's very good for you to go and visit the company, to go to the party, to enjoy. You take video, something like that, you send to people. The meet you and here, you can see here. So you can see there. You can see here is only to say to you that when you sleep and just think about how to change your life. Here it is on to say that when you make a business, you can win so much money. You can travel, you can receive, you can drive your car, you can go to the first party, something like that. You meet people, new people don't know. So it's to make you know it's a good job. And here you have a beauty product. And here you have the health product. So you have everything inside.
That's it for. You want to go to Akofabo? Mon femme honche, mo akwanda mo ho. Mon femme honche pa. Said the American. Kitu someone who be bia ni padoma. Wo mo ka ho betumi asan ayewo adwuma. Enso aka ho. Enti no mesremo bibia ni amo betumi afre me number no. Na mede ne number amamo na mone no akasa na moye bibia kama ye ntena fa ko sa abri mu se de dan na meka no yade we ya aba no wonfiri demu MP abontene no na wonya adwuma foforo aka wadwuma ho ohima good ofa bai makofa ba we die enyeka makofa sika ene afotene enuro no sa de America no ebre bi atwam 2005 de bi free lending by Church of Pentecost woni e na betena ye me de ne ba sorry kokokoko sorry eye dwumadi a medi dada amenetwam ene bribi ntimi jai kakra me kure sere me a for say ene de me re yeni paketo a me re na ya be ni manager o sere enso kakra ti duru baby no me kura me hu de ye mpu na chiri mesai propra mesai jai toho nti we de adofo mo fa mo ho enhim na ya ho odene nso ho hia nyabre nko a woni bibi ya na wotie ewa na nso so wutie a ukogina fa akon 8 hours ye adwuma wutie wo ye beboa wa bra boda ate a emse wonfom kwan onto ntwere entiti na de wo hia bia nso wo humi a wo ja 5 ni nyina wa ha ntino wo yare bia wo yare no ne ni nyina na ese woto yade a wo ya no wo ka ye betime ayiye no na ya oda ama na wabrabo wonkwa awa na otime di obre so mfaso yade abai wonsuro nyame behwe me de wase ye de si ha na wotwe yesene de ye ntumi anye nne no ye beye eno ato aso na esese me ma wo mobre afidie na ha ye pa na eye no ma e ka brabo no mo fa ncheme oba de nhyira mo sharon